Hello guys, today I'm going to code with Ritwik. This channel is not named Code with Ritwik. So we are just going to open a Chrome video and using Python coding we'll create uh, a quiz. So here we'll just download the things that we need. First we need PyCharm. Just go and type PyCharm right here and then just click download. After clicking download, download the community version for free, and after that you just download Python. You just download the latest Python to Python. Just type Python and just Windows and download this file. This any Python. This is for 64-bit and this is for 32-bit. So after explaining, let's go on to the coding by PyCharm. Here's the PyCharm website. Today we are going to create a quiz, and this web playlist is going to be in 3 parts. So the first part is going to be creating first question and many more things, and the second will be second question, and the final part will be creating the rest of the things. So let's get started. So score. First we'll write score equals to I wrote this wrong spelling. So score score equals to 0, and after that we'll write a comment which is going to be question 1, and here's the comment, and we'll just write in input. I'm sorry for the disturbance. Yes, here we go, and we are going to write a new variable which is answer 1, and here we'll write input what is copy my question is the capital of India. And question mark, and after that we'll create a line by black access and this option. The first option is going to be Delhi. Later is just I don't know, some technical difficulties, and the first option is going to be Delhi, Delhi, and the second option is going to be Plexus and another line, and we're creating the second option which is going to be Hyderabad. And the third option is going to be Mumbai, but tell you to keep it a third option, but you can expand it more. So the last one is we are creating another line and writing answer and a column. After that this line is done. So we are now going to the if statement. So if answer 1 equals to colon this a or answer 1 equals to column a, and then another or answer 1 equals to A, Delhi, Delhi, and after that we are just going to write here score variable will just here equals to +1 and print, correct, print how do I do this much mistakes? So print this is going to be printing, correct. After printing correct, you just print the score, which is score SCORE colon, and here you just give a comma and just write a score variable score, and after that we just print. This is done, and after that we just check if any errors are accommodated, and I can see one error that I forgot here a column. I always forget that. I always forget this. And here we'll write here print a new line, because when we complete this question, then we don't want to have anything down below stuck to it. So we'll write else print incorrect in correct and just write here the NSWR answer is Delhi, DELHI Delhi. And then the next line we just go here and do little bit of cheats, and we just copy these two lines, and after that we are just going to paste here, and here's the first question completed. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to Ritwik's Tech Tips channel, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.